hi everyone. Last few days to the NEET PG 2021, and I am here to tell you about three most non-academic things that you need to do to actually get a booster in your rank for that examination. First of all, one thing that you need to understand is you are already on the final lap. It is just about making sure that you do everything right to get to the finish line and crack the top 100 rank. So you know everything. Whatever academically you need to know, you already know that. That exam has been postponed three times, two times actually. Okay. So, but you know everything that you need to know. It is all about the mental peace and that performance pressure that you need to bear to crack that examination. The first being, please stay away from Facebook and Telegram. I am seeing many close students of mine arguing on baseless logics and on every baseless meme on the NEET PG group and actually commenting, recommenting. You have one brain. If you're going to utilize that particular brain into that thing, you are, of course, getting unfocused from the real problem, the real thing that you need to take care of. So if you are still arguing on baseless logics, you are wasting precious time, wasting precious energy. Please do not take this thing lightly. I'm not talking about anything extraordinary. It is just the most ordinary things that will make you extraordinary. So please close down that Facebook, please close down that Telegram, and for the last few days, keep yourself as much focused as possible. It is not easy, but it is required. Second, the morning pressure. Many a times you wake up, you know that you have a lot to study and your mind gets all blown up. But the point is how to get your mind to ease down and then sit on the table and start studying. Start by playing 10 to 15 minutes of Sudoku. Maybe a simple brain teaser, maybe open a quiz on internet and just go through that. It's basically, you can call it a warm up for your brain. So your brain will get a little bit pacified and then your thinking absolutely becomes much more clearer. I do that thing. Okay, so many a times when I have a lot of things to do in a day, uh, again boom. So I try to calm myself down by playing 10 to 15 minutes of Sudoku. I'm very bad at it, but whenever I start using that brain of mine, it starts getting a little bit focused. Okay, let's do this thing first, then let's do this thing first. And I always, in an 8 hour span of day, I make 8 single hour tasks. It keeps me less anxious. Otherwise, that a single 8 hour task, I get afraid, I get scared. कि इतना कुछ कैसे होगा? So for you also, if you are still procrastinating, please follow this thing. Make 8 single hour tasks and then try to follow that with a break of 10 to 15 minutes in the middle. All right. Otherwise, that single 8 hour task is a hell of a task. So if you can manage it, best of luck. But if you cannot, follow the other one. Third, whenever I have a lot of pressure in my mind, I can't sleep. I know many of you are facing that. Now, this particular thing I have told you many a times, and I'm going to repeat this. Please try 5 minutes meditation before going to sleep. I simply chant Om, it's Om, Om, Om. So I try to get my mind in a single line, and then sleep comes easy. Otherwise, I keep thinking कि ये नहीं हुआ, I have not done this, I have not done that, कल ये कैसे होगा, and that kind of overthinking, sleep goes away, and you need at least an 8 hour of sleep to perform well the next day. You are an adult now, think like that. If you are sleeping 5 to 5 hours, automatically your next day performance is going to be less than average. So why waste the other day? Follow something that will let you sleep calmly. It's very important. It's the secret to success. The one piece of additional advice I'm going to give you, it may sound very stupid, very baseless, but it is very important. And what is that? Please do not go outside for the next 10 to 20 days. Corona is still has not gone. It is still in the air. It is still in people. It is still a big problem. So if you get sick in these days, you are going to spoil the one thing that you have been waiting for a long time. So it might sound baseless from my mind right now, but what you need to do is please stay at home, exercise at home, be at home, and try to meet as less people as you can. keep yourself in a protective blanket for the next few days. It is very important. You cannot afford to fall sick at this point of time. It's, of course, lethal to your life as well to your career. So that's me, Nachiket Bhatia, with the most important non-academic things that can boost your rank. If you have any comments, please put in the feedback. And again, best of luck and give the grand test between 9 to 12:30. That is the time when your brain needs to work at its 110% potential. That's me. Thank you so much. Best of luck.